Okay. Now suppose the value of A is given to you, A equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. Okay, and B is given to you, 0, 2, minus 1, 3, and 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. You have to find the value of 2A minus 3B. You have to find the value of 2A minus 3B. How will you do it? To first write it, this will be 2. Here you will write this again 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. Then put minus sign here. Okay, minus 3, 0, 2, 3, 5, minus 4. Now open it, and each term will be multiplied by this 2, not only this one, all the elements. So multiply it, 2 into 1, what will come? 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. Then 2 into 1, 2. So this is 2A. Okay. Now here put minus sign here. Multiplies each term by 3. Okay. So what will come? 3 into 0, 0. Minus 3, 15. 3 into 2, 6. 3 3 are 9. And this is minus 12. Clear? Now again it is similar. It means again you have to do the subtraction. So how will you do the subtraction? The same as I told you earlier. You have to find out 2 minus 0, then 4 minus 3, then this is 6 minus 15, bracket close, then this is 4 minus 6, then 6 minus 9, then 2 minus 12. Clear? Now do simplification. ये आवाज हो रही. So do simplification. So it will come 2, 6, 4 minus 6, minus 2 will come. Then 4, this will become plus, so it will be 7. 6, so it will become minus 3. 6 minus 15, minus 9. Then this will become plus, so this will become 4. So this is the answer of 2A minus 3B. Is this clear to you all, children? Okay. Now I am going to tell you how you will do multiplication of matrices. Is this clear? Now do multiplication. That is very not tough, but you shouldn't find typical how to do that multiplication. So the heading is multiplication. Multiplication. Okay, children, multiplication of the matrices. Let us suppose two matrices are given to you. A is 1, 3, 2, 4. B is given to you 3, 2, 3, 2, and 1, 5. Okay, and this is given to you 7, K, and this is given to you 11, 23. I have taken two things together. First you will do multiplication, then you have to find the value of K also. So how will you do it? This is okay. So you will do the multiplication of first row with first column of this. Okay, so do it and write it here. Clear? So this will come 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Clear? Is this clear? Plus again 1, multiply same thing here. So 1 into 1 plus 2 into 5. Clear? Now again take this. Now take this. This will be multiplied by this. So what will come? 3 is to 2 plus 4 is to 2. Then 3 multiplied by this plus 4 multiplied by 5, and this will be equal to 7k123. You can see it. Is this clear to you all, children? Two, one. Now simplify it. So what will come? 1 into 2, 2. Plus 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 2, 6. Plus 4 into 2, 8. Similarly 1 into 1, 1. Plus 2 into 5, 10. Then 3 into 1, 3. Plus 4 into 5, this is 10. Okay, this will be equal to 7k1123. Is this clear? Now add them. What will come? 2 and 4, 6. 6 and 8, 14. Then 1 and 11, 11. Then 23. And this will be equal to 7, 4, 11, 23. So this is how you will do the multiplication. Now our target is to find the value of k, because the order of matrix is same. Okay, both the side equal matrices are there, so we can easily compare. Here you can see 14 is written, here k is written, so the value of k will be 14. So this is your answer. K is 14. This is is this clear, children? Okay, now once again I am going to repeat it so that there should be no confusion. Two matrices are given, the values are, the elements are written over here, and it is given equal to this much. How you will do the multiplication? You will first take this row and first column of this. Each element, this element will be multiplied by this, then this element will be multiplied by this, then add together. Similarly, the same elements will be multiplied by this will be multiplied by this, right here. Now take the second row, these elements will be multiplied by this element will be multiplied by this. Okay, then simplify and then compare, you will get the value of k. Now one more exercise question I am going to explain you, which is frequently asked in almost all the examination. Today's last topic, which is very important and asked in mostly examination, board examination as well as in your competitive examination. Okay, so this is very important question. So this I am going to tell you how will you solve it. Let us suppose that the value of a is given to you. The value is 2435. The value of a is given to you 2435, and you have to find a square minus 7a minus 2i, or sometimes they say that prove that this is equal to, okay, prove that a square minus 7a minus 2i equal to 0. How will you solve it? So look here, a square. What do you mean by a square? A square means a into a. So this will be 2, 4, 3, 5. Then second is 2, 4, 3, 5. Clear? Again multiplication will be there. How will you multiply it? This 2, again same logic. First multiply this by this. Clear? So do it. You will get 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4. Now these terms will be again multiplied by here. So 2 into 3 plus 3 into, clear? Now this 4 into 2 plus 5 into 4, then 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. Clear? Same thing as I told you how you will do the multiplication, same process I have done. Now simplify it. What will come? You will see 2 2 are 4, 3 4 are 12, 4 2 are 8, 5 4 are 20. Next is 2 3 are 6 plus 15, 12 plus 25. So this will be 4, 16 will come. Okay. Now 28 and 21 and 37. So this is the value of A square. So it is coming 16, 28, 21 and 37. A is already given, to find out 7A. 7A. This will be 7 multiplied 8. A is 2, 4, 3, 5. How? You just tell how will you multiply it? 7 by 2. So what will come? 7 into 2, then 7 into 3, 7 into 4, 7 into 5. Clear, children? All term, each term will be multiplied by 7. Now simplify. What will you get? This is 14. This is 28. This is 21. This is 35. Is this clear to you all, children? So this is the value of 7A, 14, 28, 21 and 30. Next, last term is 2i. 2i find out. So this is, here you have to put the value of I. Okay, identity. So its value is 1, 0 and 0, 2. This value you have to put from your side. Okay, this is identity. You have to put this value. Same process there. Do it here. So what will come? 2 into 1, 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 2 into 1. So this will be 2, 0, 0. So this is the value of 2i. Now I will put this value in the given equation to check whether the value is coming to 0 or not. So this is the last question. Very soon I am going to show you. Okay. Very soon, don't worry. Within 5 minutes I will finish it. So you can see A square minus 7i minus 2i. Now put the value, quickly put the value over here. A square is 16, 28, 21, 37, then minus 14, 28, 21, 35, then again minus sign is there, 2, 0, 0, 2. Clear? Now do simple subtraction. Okay, children? So how will you do it? Again, first solve these and this and this. So what will come? 16 minus 14, 21 minus 21, 28 minus 28, 37 minus 35. Write this in the same way. 2, 0, 0, 2. Clear? So simplify it. What will you get? 2, 0, fraction, what will come? 2 minus 2, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 2. Clear? So what will come? 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay? So this is equal to 0 and so these are the different questions which we have done. So do you want some homework? Okay, so from your book you will do first 5 questions. Clear, children? If still you have any problem, ask.